Hey, it's Melissa. And if you stopped wearing sleeveless shirts or even short sleeve shirts because you're so self-conscious about your arms, what if I told you for as little as 10 minutes, twice a week, no weights, you could be sleeveless shirt ready by springtime. So hang with me and we'll do it together. Okay, welcome back. We're gonna do each exercise for 30 seconds on and a 10-second rest. I'll call out the name of the move. I might demonstrate it if it's a little more challenging, but let me just say, if this workout becomes too challenging for you, I also have a 5-minute eliminate bat wings exercise video as well. So be sure to check that one out if this one gets too tough for you. So ready? Let's get started. Bent arm circles, you're gonna have your elbows high, you're gonna touch your shoulder right here, and you're gonna circle forward. 15 seconds, and then we'll circle back for 15 seconds. This one you're gonna feel triceps, shoulders, even part of your back. You're gonna feel this. All right, let's go back. This one really opens up the chest muscles. You can feel it. All right, straight arm rotations. We're going to do palms up and then palms down. And make sure you hold your arms stiff because you want to get the best benefit out of these exercises. So we're just gonna pull up. Gosh, you can feel these already. All right, turn, let's go down. Keep them even with your shoulder, because you can feel it. You can definitely feel where this hits the top of the shoulders, and we all want those sexy shoulders. Okay, we're gonna do goalpost. You guys know what a goalpost looks like. We're gonna go up and down with this goalpost. This is a burner, so stay with me. We're gonna go down and up, down and up. Stay shoulder height. Keep your arms up. Don't give up. You guys want those sexy arms. We all do. Almost done. Okay, we're gonna do goalpost side raises. Same movement basically, but we're gonna go out to the side and down to our hips. We're gonna go up, don't go past the shoulders, come down to the hips. Up, down to the hips. Up, down to the hips. And you'll definitely feel this one, burning the shoulders. You want those short sleeve, ready arms. And this will definitely get you there. Just twice a week. Anyone else twice a week? 10 minutes? Okay, we're gonna do straight arms, alternating crossover. We're gonna start out in the front of us, and we're gonna cross over just like this. This is really good to the chest as well, and the lats. You'll feel it. Just squeeze ever so slightly once you cross over on top of each other, alternating back and forth. Keep your arms level and straight. Okay, we are going to do double straight arms with side goalpost. I know, I made up that name. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna have our arms out. We're gonna bring them to the front, bring them back to the goalpost. To the front, back to the goalpost. This is great for your chest. You can feel it when you pull it back. It's also great for your lats. Keep your arms stiff, straight, intentional movements. Are you still with me? Come on, we can do this together. Okay, we're gonna do open and close goalpost. So you're gonna start with your goalpost. We're gonna go open and close, all right? Close it, open it, close it, open it. Make sure you touch your elbows together. You want that part of your arm going straight together here. You can feel that in your back, upper back, your traps, and push your shoulders. Okay, we're gonna do small arm circles, straight arms. You guys did this in elementary school, but they're very, very effective. Out to the side, we're gonna go 15 seconds forward, 15 back. Little circles right here, like the size of a softball. Okay, reverse, go back. Tell me you can't feel that on your triceps. Oh yeah. You guys hate me right now? Stick with me. We can do this together. I know we can. Okay, tricep kickbacks. Very, very effective. I'm gonna go to the side so you guys can see what I'm doing. They're straight arm kickbacks. Ready? You're almost gonna do a slight hesitation in the back. Hinge forward just a little bit. But oh my gosh, these are burn out triceps. Hang with me. This is gonna get rid of those bat wings. You know how we hate those suckers. Guys, don't ever have to worry about it. This is gonna get rid of them, okay? Now we're gonna do C rotation half circles. Your arms are gonna be out basically in a C, and we're gonna do half arm circles. We're gonna go forward and then back, forward and then back. Man, this hits your chest, your shoulders, your lats, and of course, your triceps. Very intentional movements. Come on, you guys got this. Stick with me. Almost done with this one. Okay, bent arm pull back with straight arm push out with rotations. You're gonna bend your arms, you're gonna go straight, you're gonna rotate. Just like you're kind of driving a car, the steering wheel. Pull back, go straight, rotate. Back, straight, rotate. Man, this is good for just about every part of your arm, and you can feel it. Got this. We do. Okay, prayer lift ups. Elbows together. I'm going to go to the side so you can see it. I'm going to lift up and come down, level with the chest. Up, level with the chest. Oh my gosh. These hurt and they're burners, but oh, they are so effective. Don't go too far down, but go up as high as you can. Keep those hands a praying. Super effective. Make sure you're breathing too. Okay, straight arm pushbacks. We're going to do palms forward and palms back. 15 seconds each. So we'll start with palms going back. You're just going to put like you're pushing the wall behind you. Man, these are great for your lats. You know where you have that, kind of where our skin hangs over our baby tooth tops? That is not attractive. We don't like it. This is going to combat that. Just keep pushing. All right, flip forward, push forward. Almost like you're pushing the wall forward now. Awesome for your chest. Okay, overhead tricep extensions. Close your fists together. I'm going to go to the side so you guys can see me do it. Pull your arms back like this. Grip your hands. Go forward and then back. Forward just to the top of your head and back. Forward and back. Awesome tricep burnout exercise as well. Don't give up. You're gonna get rid of those bat wings. Nobody likes bat wings. Make sure you're breathing. Okay. Our last exercise is straight arms to the front and to the side. This is great for everything. We're gonna start with our arms out here. We're gonna go down, we're gonna go up, down, out, down, almost like a cheer. Remember in high school when you were cheering? I don't know if you cheered. Stiff arms, don't go past the shoulders. You will absolutely feel this through the chest, lats, top of the shoulders. And the best thing about it, we're almost done. Okay, we're gonna have a quick cool down and a stretch. Very important to stretch. So we're gonna start with a 30-second stretch. Pull your arms straight across. You guys are loving me right now, I know it. All right, let's go to the other side. It's very, very important to stretch. We're gonna pull our triceps because those are definitely burned out. Let's get our other one. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Shake it out. You guys were awesome. I hope to see you on the next video. We're definitely gonna have nice guns this spring.